Welcome back, folks. We have lesson 8.2.2 here from the CPM geometry textbook. This is called Ratios of Similarity. Let's remind ourselves that a ratio is a comparison of two numbers, and that two shapes are similar if they are basically the same shape, maybe a different size. And that's just a very general description of what similarity means. But let's look at some examples here of ratios and similarity and what we might be talking about in this lesson. So let's say we've got a square, and all the side lengths are 1. And we scale that up to a bigger square, where all the side lengths are 2. Okay, so we have this first square. Let's just call this square number 1 and square number 2. Well, the area of square 1 is 1 times 1, so that's 1 square unit. The perimeter of square 1 is, well, it's 4 sides. They're all 1, so that's 4 units. Let's look at the second shape now. The area of square 2, that'd be 2 times 2, which is 4 square units. And the perimeter of square 2, it's 4 sides, are each 2. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, so that's 8 units. Okay, so we have two similar figures here. We didn't even talk about the scale factor. Well, that scale factor is pretty obvious. To get from 1 to 2, it's times 2. Okay, and what we're going to be looking at today is, what does the perimeter ratio look like? And what does the area ratio look like? We already looked at the area ratio. We said, yep, the area ratio is always going to be the scale factor squared. But today we're going to add the perimeter ratio there and see how that behaves. So how does P2 over P1 compare to the scale factor? Okay, that's it for intro. Let's jump into the notes now.